know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah. Gotta let 'em know. If you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah. Opportunity to grow. I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got it.
Good morning, guys. welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I am Shake. I do lifestyle vlogs. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you're notified when I pint up the soul. Hit that subscribe button so you're notified whenever I make a video. It is Saturday. This is either gonna be a day in my life, like a Saturday in my life, or a weekend vlog. Not sure. But yes, we're starting off this vlog. It is currently 10:21. I am late for a meeting. I'm supposed to be in a meeting by 10, so I'm just going to run to the meeting right now. Running late. So let me get my stuff together. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you throughout this vlog.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know.
Alright guys, so pretty much I'm going to a meeting and then I have some errands to run in the town. So I'm gonna head out to the meeting right now.
God, you call me by my name.
Alright guys, so I should have showed you guys my outfit. So this is it. So I'm wearing this biker shorts with this top. This is actually a, what do you call it? This is a suit top, but when I put on the pants, the green part is like my underwear was showing, and I am not about that life. And I have on my Crocs with a green socks. So that's the outfit. I'm gonna head to meeting because I'm late. So late. Bye. Alright guys, we are back. So meeting is done. Just finished. So I'm gonna prepare myself to go to the doctor's office to sit and wait. I'm gonna sit in probably a long while and wait on the doctor because we are number 19. Like, yeah. Anyways, I'm tired. I'm tired and I'm hungry. I did not eat that much for breakfast. So whenever I eat that much for breakfast, so I'm kind of hungry. The girl's kind of hungry. Alright guys, so I made some potatoes because I'm hungry and I'm going to the doctor. It's now like what, 2 o'clock? Yeah, and I'm hungry, so I'll go make some.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. like it's laminate. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with him. I know, yeah. Life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah.
Guys, I'm back home. It is 6:06. Just got in. I had to take off my clothes because in the doctor office everybody a kuffin. So me grab off my clothes. So okay, so right now I'm going to be doing some dressing pan log. So eating some snackables. Gonna watch some YouTube while I do that.
I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, he got his hands in it. I promise he'll protect you like it's laminate. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with him.
More at church we have jeans day. So I'm picking out this jeans here. It's a little unique jeans. Yeah. So it's that jeans, and look at the mess in my room just filled up with one suit of clothes. And then for the top, I was thinking about this Puma top. So yeah, that's gonna be a fit with my white Crocs. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna clean up back wagwan, so yeah. I hate looking clothes because of this. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so these are the jewelries that I'm gonna be wearing for tomorrow. Right, and I'm gonna be doing a little bit of hair care. I'm gonna be using this olive oil styling lotion, and this gloss thing to lock in the moisture, and my dandruff ease. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is the outfit for the day. Remember, it's just on Sunday. I got my jewelry out, and I even picked out my scents for today. So I'm doing the Chic hand perfume. I got my Shea Butter Dove, my original. I got my Bodycology with vanilla, and the Bodycology toasted sugar. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys when I get dressed. Hey guys, so I'm back from church. About to take off this white clothes before I mess it up. My chain them I get mixed up, so I gotta skip on one. Yeah, just uploaded a short. I think I'm gonna try and upload shorts like every other day because they're easy to make and I enjoy making them. Yeah. So yes, it's a way to keep me consistent, and in the videos I have 2 videos per week, hopefully. I'm trying to work on, but it's still on vlog from Monday. and it was good Monday. Like I did laundry and all of that on Monday, but I didn't do much for the rest of the week. May I try consider, should I edit that vlog and put it up? I'm gonna edit it and see how it look. If it don't suit me, then we'll just discard it. But I wanted to, because I spent so much time doing the laundry part of it. I was so excited to film that part, so I'll be sad if I don't get to upload that. So anyways, I am gonna change. I really need to get one more of these. I think I'm gonna try and see if I can find them on Shein. It's a Libra chain, but I just like how it looks. It's kind of cute, so I need one more. But this a change color, so I need one more, and it's not real, so I'll look for them on Shein. Alright, so I'm gonna change my clothes, and then mommy I fix dinner. Normally on a Sunday I wash plates, and then like if chicken fish fried, then I help do that. I help do little something, but yeah, I'm gonna have no chicken fried today, so I'm happy.